See, I switched around the buttons here. So the TCS is still on the left, but I moved the instrument panel lighting in the middle, and then that's the automatic headlight switch. I also put a red LED in here since it was burned out. Then if you look here, that's the red shift light portion for the manual. That's gonna be for the drive selector. The other one right there is for the, what you call it, cigarette lighter compartment. And then the rest of this, I'm still working that out. I'm gonna leave the heated sweet switches alone though.